I just got my podpoi V2. I'm Sam Wise with Flowtoys, and this is how to get you in the flow as soon as possible. Let's take a look what's inside. We have the glorious, the wonderful, world's favorite LED poi with a cute little beaner. And then we got some USB cables, a mode chart, some quick instructions, and of course the carrying bag. First things first, let's get them synced. To sync your podpoi, press and hold on one of them. You're gonna watch it flash, turn on, keep holding, and now it's flashing white. This means it's in broadcast mode. We're gonna do the same thing on the other one. Watch it blink to show our charge level, turn on, keep holding, and this one just turns white. That means that it has connected to the broadcasting group. Double click to make sure it worked. Now that they're in sync, every button press is gonna change both poi at the same time. Man, these things just have so many modes. There's 64 modes in these that are all fully adjustable. You can save them into your favorites. Got 3 pages, 10 modes each, autoplay features, sleep and wake functions. These things are the coolest. Now, we're gonna give you plenty of time to be able to play with your toys, try out all of the modes, and if you need a quick reference, check out the mode guide. But if you want a more in-depth tour, check out our website for more resources. All of our poi come with adjustable leashes, which you can pull away the knob and expose the knot. And just with your fingernails and fingertips, be able to untie, slide it around, and move it to your desired length. So let's get them sized. To size your poi, go ahead and measure up by taking the handles in between your index finger and thumb and measure towards your chest. I like my poi to be just barely on the inside of my shoulder, almost touching my chest. If you're a lady, you might want just a little more room, but it all comes down to preference. There's no wrong way to do this. Now, let's make sure that our poi are the same length. To do this, I'm gonna get both of my knots as close as where I want them to be, but then I wanna make sure that my handles are gonna be the same length. I'm gonna do this by setting both podpoi on a nice flat surface and then lifting the handle straight up. I can go in and adjust each of the knots. You know, maybe it's only 1 centimeter in each direction after your measurement, but every check gets me a little bit closer and a little bit closer to almost perfect. Now, I've got this knot still a little loose because I was still testing it, but I know that when I tighten it down, oh, it changed again. You can go back and forth on this as many times as you need to. You haven't done anything yet that is irreversible. You can always make your tethers shorter, but you cannot make them longer. Nice. Now that they're the right size, make sure to give them a test spin and make sure that you don't need to add any washers to your handle, which you can pick up from our site to get them feeling just perfect before we finish them up. To finish, you'll need some scissors and a lighter, and you'll be able to take your scissors, snip the knot, leaving a bit of frayed material at the end. Take your lighter and give it a nice melt. Make sure not to touch the melted plastic, it's super hot. Once you've got it nice and melty, use the broad side of your lighter and squeeze it into the side of the knot. Finish things up. Finish your other leash, and you're ready to flow. Yeah. Aw, that battery. Well, good thing I can check the charge level on this one. I'm gonna turn it off first by pressing and holding. Then I can press and hold again, and it'll give me a blink. This one's red, definitely needs a charge. This one's yellow, so it's got a little more juice in it. But when we get them plugged in, red means below 10%, yellow means between 15 and 60%, and then there's a off yellow, kind of greenish, that lets us know it's just about 70 to 80%, and then anything above in that full green beautifulness is above 90%. You know, I've got a whole charging station set up right over there. Check it out. Thankfully, I have my Kaizen rack charging station all set up. To charge your podpoi, you can pinch from the top and the bottom pedals at the same time to expose a little slit. Give it a rotate, find your charging jack. Once you've located your charging jack, grab your USB cable, plug it in. You might see it go blue first, which is it thinking that it's ready to update. We'll cover that in another video. But then it should start breathing with the color of its charge indicator. When it's ready to flow again, you'll see it nice and green, ready to go. Podpoi and all the toys that Flowtoys makes come with a lifetime warranty. If anything happens, please don't hesitate to hit us up, and either me or any of our other wonderful elves will be happy to get you back in the flow.